Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa, and in this week's video, it is a little bit different. I completed a few projects. I had a custom order come in, so I finished that this morning, and I also made myself a couple things. It was a little bit of a slow, kind of crazy week. My boyfriend had surgery, so I didn't do much because I was helping him, but I will show you what I did get done, and I did film a little bit of the process, so I will show you that as well. And at the end of the video, I'll tell you what's happening in next week's video, which is a really fun challenge I'm going to try. And I hope you guys love it, but let's get into it and I will show you what I finished. So my boyfriend requested another book cover, so I worked on that this week, at the beginning of the week. It's purple with blues and cream and white. They're really fun to make. And then I had a custom order come in for a whale shark, which I have not done, and I like this pattern. It was really good, but it's super cute. I don't think I'll be making another one anytime soon. It's a little bit difficult, but here he is. He's got a big pink mouth. He's swimming. Anyway, I finished this whale shark and it is for a custom order, and I have filmed some of it. I will insert the clips of me crocheting both of those now. Okay, and for the rest of the week, I worked on some beaded earrings, as you can tell. These ones are cute little colorful summery ones in my opinion, and I made some more earrings for myself and I want to show you. I made these heart ones. I can't. Little hearts. And then I made these fun blue ones that kind of look like vines to me, but they're really cute. Very different. But my goal was to make stitch markers, but I ended up making earrings as well. But I am making these stitch markers that have hook sizes on them so that you can put them in your project and remember the hook size that you were using. And these are going to be for sale. I'm going to have a set of 10 of them, 1 through 10, and then I'm going to do the 0.5s next. Well, it's backwards to you, but you get the gist. And here's one. So if you are interested in these, let me know. But I'm going to have a set of 10 available. We'll have a set of 10 available with all 10 numbers. But that is all for this week's video. But I am going to tell you about next week's video, which I'm actually starting today, so I can get a head start on it because it's going to be a big project. I have been saving this yarn for a very long time, for a few months now, and I've been trying to figure out what to make with it because I love the color, but I don't have enough of it to complete this project, but I have some other colors I'm going to add into it to complete it. But I will finally be making the viral 6-day star blanket, and I'm going to be making it within a week because I'm starting it today, and I will have it ready for next week's video, hopefully, if everything goes to plan. But I want to show you the yarn that I have, and I have a lot, so I'm going to make it big. So it might take me longer than 6 days, or longer than a week, but we'll see. So I have the Bernat, whoa, hold on. I have the Bernat blanket ombre. I have 4 cakes of the purple, and this is the reason why I want to make this blanket, is because I love this purple color. So I have, there's 2, I have 4 of them. So I'm going to start out with the purple, and then once I finish off those 4 cakes, because I know that won't be very much, that won't make it very big, I have 1 of the Bernat blanket ombre in the blue color, which I don't know if I'm going to use this yet. I'm going to see how the purple goes, but I have this. I only have 1, and then I have 4. Then I have 3 of the Bernat baby blanket dappled, but it's basically ombre. I have 3 of those, and then I'll use the dappled probably, but we shall see how it looks. And then for the final row, because this color is so gorgeous, and I only got 1 of it because it was when Joann's was closing, so I only found 1, but it is the Bernat baby blanket dappled, but it is in this gorgeous light blue. But I'm going to do this as the last row border, probably last row, because it'll be big. But I'm going to use this, and hopefully it makes it all the way around. But that is all for this video, and stay tuned for next week's video. It's going to be really good. I'm going to film a lot of that. But I hope that you guys have a great week, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for next week's video, and please like and subscribe and comment down below if you enjoyed this video and what you want to see from me. I would really appreciate the feedback. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.